touch my truck. Don't touch my truck.
Oh, what's happening, GC gang, baby? What's happening with it, brother? It's another day, bro. And I'm back with another video. This video here, there ain't nothing special about it. I'm actually going around to Sonic, go get me and my wife a slush. That's something I don't think I ever had a day in my life, a slush. Like, it never interests me, so I mean, why get it? But now, for some reason, I got an urge for it, so I'm gonna go try one out, man. I seen one flavor I think that I want. I'm gonna try it out and see what it do, man. But it's a beautiful day today, man. It ain't too hot. It's still hot, but it ain't too hot. Clouds out, whatnot. So it's a beautiful Thursday today, man. I think I'm gonna wash my truck and her car. Go ahead on and knock that out the way before the sun start going down. And get me a workout in the day. Don't know I'm gonna work out on, but I'm gonna touch up on something. But yeah, that's my plans for the day. Get me a slush, chill out, wash, chill out, hopefully go to the gym. Cause you already know once you jump in that chill mode, boy, it'd be hard to get out of that thing. Oh man. Yeah, bro. My plans is to start hitting these car shows up, man. I've been to a few before, but I don't really be wanting to go to none that be like down here in Louisiana. I be wanting to go to ones that's out of state, but I don't really be having like the time to do it. Normally it's because of work, but now that I got all this free time on my hands, I'm gonna go ahead on and start hitting a couple of them up. I think they got one in Texas next week. Is it next week? Yeah, next weekend I think it is. On the 20th. So I think I'm gonna try to slip on out there and try to get different scenery for myself anyway. And we'll see what happens with it, man. But as of today, this sounds like this gonna be my enjoyment for the day, man. Man, my truck is still doing that craziness. My 250 is still doing that with the connection with the battery. I tried to hit it and start it up today, and it just, when I turned the key forward, all the lights went out. So I'm gonna have to try to clean them battery pulses and the cables and stuff to see if that make a big change or not. But who knows? It might do good, it might not. But I'm hoping that it jumped back, because I miss driving my truck, bro. When I drove it yesterday, man, it felt good to be back in it until that wound up happening with the battery. That I had to get a jump off. But I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. After I get my little slush, knock that down, I'm gonna clean the batteries up, clean the battery pulses and everything up, and we'll see what that do, bro. But I'm on my way to Sonic. We'll get back at it once I get there, man. Alright, y'all, we done pulled up here to the old Sonic thing. Need to see what it is that she said that she wanted. Strawberry fruit and lemonade. I think I got it. Let's see if I can get this right. 'Cause yeah, let me get a strawberry fruit and a lemonade. I mean, not a lemonade. I'm sorry.
Is that other order?
Huh?
Is that other order?
What's the other order?
You said eliminated. What else?
No, I'm sorry. I wanted the lime and the strawberry.
Someone said.
I need the lime and the strawberry.
Limeade?
A lime and a
You want the
strawberry.
actual fruit in there?
Yeah,
You want the flesh?
yeah.
That's it?
Uh-huh. I don't think y'all got nothing else in here, huh? Man. I don't know. I probably was ordering it wrong. Who knows, but they still should have understood what I was trying to say. I'm not faulting myself. She did. Like I said, it's my first time ever trying this, man. I ain't never fooled with nothing like this before. I don't even come to Sonic, to tell you the truth. 'Cause, Sonic don't really interest me. I don't ever have no taste for it. Like, now Jack in the Box, that's my thing now. Jack in the Box and Burger King. Them two there, I wear them out real quick. And no questions asked. But that 2 for $6, I tear them up. I go there right now. Like, you ask me what choice I got, I'm going straight there. So I'm gonna try this slush out thing, but I hope I like it. I'll tell you the truth, I hope I like it, cause I've been wanting to do like new things, try new things. So I guess that would be it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna force myself to still drink it because I paid for it. But, yep. It's all about trying new things, baby. And if you don't try nothing new, you ain't gonna never get nowhere. Expand your own self at that. So you gotta keep moving some kind of way. Don't work the first or second time. It's gonna work one of them times. Just you can't get discouraged over certain things, so you gotta keep moving. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. That's all I can tell you. Just keep pushing. And if you stop, you done quit on yourself, and if you got a family, you'll quit on them too. So she coming out with it. Nah, I'm good with it. Appreciate it. That's another reason why I don't like coming to Sonic. When somebody park on side, boy, you can't see what's coming out on the other side. We'll run there, be missing the whole ass of your shit. But let me try this out, man. She didn't even tell me which one is which. Well, I guess I can look at it and see. Try it out, see what it look like, man. I know it ain't green like it showed on the internet. I know that much. Yeah. It's alright. Tastes like a damn snowball. But I'm gonna drink it though. Definitely gonna do that. Ain't nothing I'm gonna jump back and go get every day. Not even once a week. Man, this don't look nothing like it was on the internet, bro. On the internet, it was showing it was green. This is white. All they did was took them limes and stuff it up in there and said, here's your drink. Woo. See, I can't drink that too fast. Boy, I got a brain freeze quick. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to sip on this until I get to the house. Once I settle back in, I'm gonna see if I can work on that truck, man. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get to the house and settle back in, buddy. Alright, gang. Y'all already know what it is. I'm back 2 days later. Just about to start trying to fool with this truck again. Hopefully we can get it to where it stays in a position where this sucker will start cranking up like it used to. Cause I'm getting fed up, yeah, man. And I kind of know what it is, but I don't want to admit what it is. But we're gonna see what it do, man. Yeah, she ain't got nail connection, nothing. The lights ain't even coming on this sucker no more, so we're gonna play a little twist and turn on her. Let's see what she do. Hopefully we can get a little something. I know I gotta change the cables out for sure. The cable's been in here since this truck was built. And it's a 95. It's 2020. That's not the secret either. So that's about all I can do, man, for now. Play a little grab and go with it. See what this do. Man, I think I got it open a little too much. A lot of people been telling me to, man, go ahead on and sell that truck, man. Go ahead on and get you something else. This and that, yada yada. Nope, not doing it. I love my truck. I'm gonna keep my truck. Y'all ain't getting my truck, so I don't care how much trouble this thing give me. I'm gonna fix it, and I'm gonna get it back right. So no, you cannot get this truck. I refuse to sell it. I had this truck 7 years. And really, this the most trouble it really ever give me. Like the cable's gonna lose connection. That's about all it really give me. Like, it don't really give me that many problems. Yeah. So this gonna be my fight for the morning till she. That she pretty. Like I said, loose connection. She crank up, baby. That's gonna be it. Me and her taking a ride today. Think I talk a little noise a little too early. Damn. Yeah, so this is my task for this morning, man. I'm gonna keep playing Twister with this sucker until I get it all the way right. I'm gonna crank it up, turn it off, crank it up, turn it off, make sure that it's good, man, because that is real embarrassing to be on side the road trying to get your vehicle to crank back up. Everybody looking at you thinking that your shit don't work, and you know it works. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all once I get this sucker cranked up and I think that is right. Well, I got a running back, baby. I don't know if I found that sweet spot, but she's back home. Love the way this girl sounds, boy. I miss that song. I ain't gonna lie to you, I really miss that song. Yeah, I'm gonna let it run for a little while. Let that temperature jump up or something. I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna see if I found that sweet spot before I go up there and try to get that. If I even do that today, bro. If I do it, that's another video. I'm not even gonna lie to make it seem like that's what I'm gonna do for sure. But yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do, man. I just wanted to show y'all that she's still running, man. I ain't had to charge the battery up or nothing. All it is just a loose connection on that passenger battery over there. So just wanted to play with it a little while and make sure that she had got right. So I'm going, like I said, I'm gonna let this warm up some and then I'm gonna cut it off, play with it for a little while and make sure that's that sweet spot. So the next video, baby, y'all already know what it is and what it do, baby. It's your boy GC. I'm out this thing, baby.
Don't touch my truck.